Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the notification bell. For all of my returning subscribers, thank you so much for rocking with me. Today I am back in the kitchen with another easy recipe. I will be making egg fried rice. Now this is a quick, easy recipe. It only took me about 15 minutes to cook, so keep watching and I'll show you how to make egg fried rice. Okay guys, so what you're going to need for this recipe will be 2 cups of white rice. And make sure that your rice is cold. Eggs, soy sauce, peas and carrots. We're going to use some green onions, some garlic. Don't forget your wok, but if you do not have a wok, just use a skillet. Alright, so let's get started. To begin, heat your wok or skillet on high heat, add some oil. You want to use 3 eggs and scramble them really well, making sure not to burn them because burnt eggs are gross, okay? Now, the full recipe will be down below in the description box. Once that's done, remove your eggs from the skillet and just set them to the side. Stir fry your garlic using roasted sesame oil on medium heat. Now, if you do not have roasted sesame oil, you can use any type of oil, but I do recommend using roasted sesame oil because of the flavor that it's going to add to your stir fry. Let this cook for a couple of minutes, being very careful not to burn your garlic. Next, add your green onions and continue to cook this down for an additional 2 minutes. Add your eggs and reduce heat to medium-low, being sure not to burn your eggs and garlic. Next, add in your rice and continue to mix that up really well. From this point on, you can increase your heat to medium-high, then add your vegetables. You can use any type of vegetables that you prefer. I like peas and carrots because they have a nice sweet taste, but you can use corn or even green beans if you like. Mix this up really well and allow this to cook for an additional minute. Now add your soy sauce. And you're basically going to use the eyeball method when you add your soy sauce, and you're going to stir that up. Soy sauce is going to give your fried rice that nice brown color as well as flavor. This next step is optional. Here I added in some sesame oil, again using the eyeball method and mixing everything up really well. Make sure at this point your heat is still on medium-high. Reduce heat if necessary, being careful not to burn your food. I went in and I added more sesame oil because I love the flavor of sesame oil. Adding this to your egg fried rice really enhances the flavor in my opinion. So if you make this, be sure to add some sesame oil. You are going to love it. Now taste your food, and if you feel it needs more soy sauce, just add some more, just like I did here. Remember, from this point on, you are going to allow your taste buds to guide you. Lastly, I'm adding in some black pepper and salt. Now, this is all done. Total cook time was 10 minutes. I'm going to plate this up, and if you didn't already know, hopefully now you know exactly how easy it is to make egg fried rice, and maybe you'll give this recipe a try. I promise you will love this recipe. It is so delicious. So go ahead and take a look at this one last time, and as usual, I went ahead and I decorated my plate. Now it's time to eat. This is so freaking good, you guys. You have got to try this. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.